Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? So it's a very good time for Polygon holder and completely profit time, my brother. Definitely in this video, the very important update. We talk about the Polygon important updates, my brother. So kindly you need to must watch this video, and also we predicate this going. Also we do a technical analysis, and also we share opinion. So must watch video is going to be very special and very branded. Holder, first of all, as you can see by this time, the update is on the screen. Polygon, you can see your price is 1.01 USD dollar. Congratulations to they will again hit 1 USD dollar, and my brother, definitely they will very urgently, very fastly, my friend, hit 2 USD dollars. So remember, the rank is going to be 17 now, and the change occur last 1 hour plus 0.59%, the last 1 day minus 1.12%, the last you can see your loss now in last 24 hours. All crypto market is dumped down. So just in all, if you can see my friend, the last 7 days chart, so oh my goodness, last 7 days change occur 13.66% profit. It's gonna be completely good now, and I hope, my brother, this is just in only the average. If you can see my friend, in the last 24 hours they are lost, so this is come to average, my friend. You can see here, so they are down, all right. The price is increasing continuously, my brother, but definitely, my friend, you can see for the short time they will face down for, and absolutely they will ready for a long time, a huge jump, my brother. So definitely you can see, my friend, in last 3 days chart, you can see here is on the screen, and just in only in the start of the first day of this trade, my friend, you can see they will face down, but again, my friend, after a short dump they will again take a very good pump, and definitely the price will be increasing and moving upward now. So my brother, this is very good, my friends. So you can see here the price is completely give you this time profit, and definitely, my friend, especially short-term investor, when they're starting selling, so definitely they will fail us down and they cannot give you a profit. So kindly hold it, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be moving upward. My opinion is please hold. Please, what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.